Welcome to Landmark Learning. In this video, we will discuss using stochastic module in NETool. We will create a well, define uncertainties, and analyze results. I open an existing SP9 well model and create a new well case. So in the reservoir, I click well path. Define segmentation, create a simple gravel pack completion, add gravel into the screen, and my completion is complete. As a target, I specify total downhole rate of 1000 reservoir meters per day, run the model, and obtain production rates and bottom hole pressure for this well. Now I want to know what are the possible uncertainties in my well productivity if permeabilities are not as in the reservoir model. So for that I enable a stochastic feature in NETool in the General tab. Stochastic tab appears in the menu, where I can specify uncertainties in reservoir pressure, in permeability, in anisotropy, and skin factor. So for permeabilities, I specify a variation of 0.3 in the standard deviation. Now, after running the model, I get 3 different production numbers, as well as different bottom hole pressures, and can analyze results for the productivity of my well, as well as bottom hole pressures needed to achieve this production. Also, I can specify inflow performance relationship range, and again run stochastic modeling for IPR. And NETool generates me 3 different IPRs, again the base one, P10 and P90 curves. In this example, we have modeled just the lower completion of the well, but with the same success we can create the well trajectory up to the surface, and then IPR curves will actually reflect the whole well performance from the bottom to the wellhead. So there is no need to do nodal analysis. Thank you for watching.